Hi everyone, and welcome to the RightPath Student Success System. The first thing you're going to do is log in to the site by putting in your username and your password. And then you're going to click Log in to RightPath. That's going to take you to your e-learning dashboard. On your dashboard, you're going to see the assignments widget in blue. That'll list your classes and all your assignments. There's also a mail widget and a calendar widget that your teacher might utilize as well. If your teacher sends you feedback or releases a grade, it'll show up in the mail widget, or also under utilities, you can access email. To open an assignment, click on the new, due, or late links to open your lessons. Go through each of the components and be sure to read all the text, click on any links, listen to the audio and video interactives. You'll navigate through the lesson using the Lesson Contents menu or the Previous and Next buttons. And when you get to the Learning component, that's going to have everything that you're going to need for the lesson. Again, be sure to read everything and look for audio, video, and hyperlinked articles. Then you're going to move on to your guided practice. And in the guided practice, you're going to click on your answer and then click Check Answer. Read the feedback and then review the materials if you need to. Then you'll move on to the independent practice section. And in the independent practice section, you'll answer all of your questions. And this is the graded portion of the lesson. You'll notice as you go through each of the questions that the icon with the exclamation point will disappear. If you decide to skip a question and answer the next one, you'll notice that that icon is still there as a visual reminder for you to know that you skipped that question and you can return to it later. Once you navigate through each of the questions, you'll get to your reflection, which is what you're going to share about what you learned about today. Every time you click that Next and Previous button, it's going to save your questions. And then when you reach that last question, if you're all done, you could click Next and then Submit, but it'll also let you know if you've skipped anything. You could go back into the contents, answer that question, click the Next or Previous to save it, and then once you're done with all of that, if everything has been saved, you can click the Submit Assignment button. Again, if you've skipped anything, it will give you a reminder that lets you know that you haven't answered all of the questions. And then when you submit that, it's going to take you to your assignment search. Your assignment search is going to have all of your lessons for all of your classes. You can sort that by class, or you can return back to the home page and use the assignments widget to navigate to the next lesson.